Hi there, I'm Dennis with Motorcycle Vent Screens. Thanks for recognizing the quality difference our products make. This is our primary product. It's called Triple SPLITSCREENS, and it consists of a complete solution for the Harley-Davidson Road Glide motorcycle fairing. The center split screen will be the focus of this particular video tutorial. The side split screens, we have a separate video on that. Pretty easy installation. It involves simply how to remove and reinstall the outer fairing. Very, very easy. But regarding the center split screen, this is a unique installation into the air duct assembly, and it involves a clip that attaches from the vent flap well and a neoprene pad called a stabilizer pad to hold the curved top portion of the screen in place, even at high speeds. So let's begin our installation by removing the windshield. The windshield is now off, and it's time to unpack our center split screen from the cardboard shipping envelope. Once you unpack it, it will look like this example, which happens to be a gloss silver center split screen. As you can see, there's a green dot which signifies the front. So this will install into the air duct assembly in this manner. So it's time now to remove the air duct assembly and take it to our workbench. And this is done by grasping the insides of the front opening and lifting upwards, and that pulls loose these retainers here which go into these two slots. So now let's move to the workbench and proceed from there. We're at our workbench now, and the first thing we want to make sure is we don't want to scratch the outer surface of your center vent assembly. So place a shop towel on your workbench for protection. A couple things. One, you'll notice that the vent flap assembly is in the open position. You want to start out that way, and you should be able to see that the stabilizer pad is in place properly. Okay, so whether you're using the gloss silver or gloss black, this is going into the bike. I'll show you with the gloss silver since it's more visible. You want to rotate this through the front opening so that the curved neoprene matches up with the curved top surface of your inner vent, and rotate it like so, so that this straight surface is visible. So go ahead and do that. It's important that you center this in the opening, and then start it in. Now start pushing back. Don't push back too far because you don't want to disturb the position of the stabilizer pad. You've got the screen in place and ready to reinstall on your bike. So there you have it. We're ready to reinstall back on the fairing. We're ready to wrap this installation up now. Before we place the air duct assembly back on the fairing, two things. Firstly, we assume you've already removed the fairing to install our side split screens. If you haven't, this would be a great time to do it. The installation is very easy. Simply go to our side split screen support page, and there's a video on fairing removal and reinstallation. The second item to mention is be sure before you place this back on the bike that the closure flap functions properly. Alright, now it's time to put this back on the bike, mating up this along with the female version. Male, female. Quite easy. And then the retainers, tabs go into the slots. Quite easy. All you got to do is line it up properly. And that's it. So thank you again for your purchase. Brag about your product. Be proud of it. It's commensurate with the quality of Harley-Davidson's finest touring machine, the Road Glide. Thank you again, and ride safe.